Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate cloud cost management with CloudHealth detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your CloudHealth account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various sections available. Locate the cost management section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Policies tab to start creating automated rules. Select Add Policy to initiate a new cost management policy. Choose the type of policy you wish to create based on your needs. Define the scope of the policy by selecting the cloud accounts or services it will apply to. Set specific conditions for the policy, such as budget thresholds or usage patterns. Establish notifications to alert your team when a policy is triggered. Decide on automated actions, like stopping or resizing resources. Review the policy settings to ensure everything is correct. Save the policy and return to the dashboard. Monitor the policy's performance through the reporting tools. Regularly review and adjust policies to keep up with changing cloud costs. Utilize the recommendations provided by CloudHealth to optimize your cloud spending. Integrate CloudHealth with your existing financial systems for seamless cost tracking. Make sure to train your team on using CloudHealth effectively. Regularly schedule audits of your cloud resources and policies. Stay updated with CloudHealth's new features and best practices for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.